Hi all, Austin here from TripasGarage, and today we're going to be breaking down the different cam trigger options that we offer for the 2JZ GE engine, how they work, and most importantly, which one is right for you and your setup. By now you might be asking yourself why the cam trigger even matters. The cam trigger actually provides the ECU with its exact position of the engine in its cycle. Without a proper cam trigger or cam signal, you will not be able to run full sequential ignition and timing, as you'll be limited to batch fire or wasted spark due to the engine and ECU not knowing the exact position of the pistons. Here's a picture of an OEM 2JZ GTE head, and as you'll notice, it does have two provisions for two cam sensors. The factory 2JZ GTE ECU uses two cam position sensors, a primary and a secondary. So if you're keeping your factory ECU, the dual sensor bracket is the correct option, as you cannot change the parameters on the OEM ECU. When you upgrade to a standalone ECU, things change. Modern ECUs only need one cam signal input to run full sequential control, because the crank trigger does most of the heavy lifting in terms of engine sync. That means if your build is standalone from the start, the single sensor trigger bracket is all you need. Now, what if you're staying OEM ECU for now, but you might go standalone later? Simple. The dual sensor bracket is forward compatible with standalone ECUs. You can run it as a dual setup now, then unplug the second sensor later. Here's the bottom line. If you're on OEM ECU, you're going to want to go with the dual sensor bracket. If you're on standalone ECU, you're going to want to go with the single sensor bracket. If you're on OEM now and planning to upgrade ECUs in the future, then go ahead and go with the dual bracket. Both of these brackets are going to give you clean, reliable signals to your ECU and allow you to run full sequential ignition and fueling. Thank you again for supporting TripasGarage. I couldn't have done this without you.